Hello everyone, I am Akash and you are watching Nutshell Programming. So, in the last tutorial we have discussed about the if statement and we have written down a program. In this tutorial we are just going to close our if and else statement in this program. So here we are going to discuss about a topic which is comparison. Here I'm going to declare a function which is going to be minimum number, and in this minimum number function I'll pass three parameters where I have to put the three values in integer or float value. Okay, you can also use string values. I'm just giving you an example, so I'm just putting integer values inside it. So here I'm going to compare between three numbers, that which number is the smallest number. So here I'll use if num1 is less than equal num2 and num1 is less than equal num3. Okay, so if num1 is smallest between the num2 and num3, so it will get returned. So I'll return num1, and else if statement is not working, then else if will work. So if num2 is less than or equal num1 and num2 is less than or equal num3, so if our second number, which is smallest between these three numbers, then our second number get returned in the program. So just return and num2. Okay, and if our num1 is not smallest, if our num2 is not smallest, then by default our else statement will work. So I'll write down here else colon, and by default our num3 will become the smallest value, the smallest number. So here I pass num3. So just make this program more attractive, so I'll write a print statement here and I'll call my function here. So here we have three parameters in our function, num1, num2, num3. Here I have to pass the three integer values inside the parentheses. So I'll write minimum number, then 600, then 400, and then 100. So all these three values will passed into the num1, num2, and num3. I'll write down another print statement which will be our statement. So it's the smallest number, it's the smallest value. You can type anything you want. So I'm just typing it's the smallest value here. Okay, so what I am talking about, that 600, 400 and 100 will be passed into num1, num2 and num3, and then if else if statement will work, and then comparison will happen. So just run this program. You can see our output is got printed, which is 100. It's the smallest value. So you can see that num3 is our smallest value because 100 is got printed. I'm going to change it a little bit and I'm going to run this. So you can see 400, it's the smallest value right now. You can see that comparison statements all are working successfully. If num1, num2, else if num2, num1 all are working. If num1 and num2 are not smallest, then else part will work and num3 get printed. So it was all about this comparison in integer. You can also compare these variables in the string format. I'm just using that ping double equal ping. So you can write down any program like this in the double quotation, that will be become a string variable, so that string value got compared. So I'm just removing this right now because I have done a integer program here. So I'll remove this and write down our old values, num2 and the num1. Okay, so in this Python program we can use many operators like this double equal, single equal, not equal, this exclamation and equal is become not equal, and you can use the smaller. Okay, you can use the smaller value, you can use the greater than operator, you can use greater than equal operator here, you can use smaller and equal user. Okay, you can use many operator in your program. If you want to write any program like this comparison, you can make a simple program like this. So it was all about this minimum number value. We in this program we just find the minimum value of any number. You can write down any program like a maximum number, you can compare between the strings, you can compare between the integer values. So it was all about this program. We have just done our if and else statement. So it was all about this video. If you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.